Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be cleaning up my disaster of a kitchen, and I'm going to be changing over this winter decor that I have in here to some Valentine's Day themed decor. So I don't have too much, just a couple things, but I want to make it look cute, and I want to, you know, just kind of revamp it a little bit. So let's get started. So this is actually my first video of 2022, which is so crazy. I've wanted to post on here, but I just had not gotten around to like editing and all of that stuff. So finally got around to it, and I am so glad that I started off with, you know, cleaning up my messy kitchen, but also changing out this decor. And I think I told you guys before, I found like a new method to kind of take it space by space when I'm like changing over my decor. So I just pretty much, whatever decor is out on the counter, and I'm going to be switching it over, I will clean off that particular area, take it down, clean it off, and switch out the decor. I've found that that's easier for me, and, you know, just kind of like taking it small bites at a time. So, yeah, I do have some Valentine's Day recipes that are over on my cooking channel called Just a Little Kick, and I'll link the channel if you haven't been over there yet. Check me out over there. I hope you subscribe over there too. I've got so many cooking videos that I still even have to edit. But I yesterday made a wonderful, delicious stuffed salmon with some Alfredo from scratch. It was heart-shaped pasta that I got from Aldi. Super cute. I made some heart-shaped cheddar bay biscuits, like the copycat kind, but you know, from scratch. And then I made some brown sugar green beans. So that recipe will be going up, I don't know, probably this week. I would think this week. But I also made some red velvet cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. That's another video that'll go up on that channel. So I've got plenty of good things coming over there as well.
Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be.
All right, this is one of my favorite scents and cleaning products. I just want to, you know, get everything super, super clean. So this mango and hibiscus is everything.
Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. Sure we had fun tonight, you and me felt alright, but it's time you pick up your phone. You won't be worth my while.
You guys, let me know in the comments down below if you guys celebrate Valentine's Day, if it's a big thing for you, if you like expect gifts, if you go out to dinner, if you decorate. I'd like to know if you decorate for Valentine's Day. Yeah, it's not a real big thing for me. I do like the decor. I love changing my decor seasonally anyway. So I think it's just fun, you know, it's fun to decorate with all the hearts and the cute flowers and all that kind of stuff. And of course I love pink, so that's another plus for me. But yeah, let me know.
Yeah, hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself.
Yeah, so if you guys are enjoying the video so far and you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I have been kind of stuck at 300 and I think around the 330 mark forever. And I know part of it is my fault for not being consistent, but I am trying to make an effort this year to be more consistent on my channel. And I would love to, you know, grow and continue putting out videos and that kind of thing. So please make sure you subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content, and also share the video with someone you think would also enjoy.
I hold on to my heart, share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart.
it's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of...
Also, since this is a Valentine's Day themed video, I thought it would be kind of fun to kind of share my love story with you guys, and maybe you guys will share yours in the comments. But so my husband and I, we actually grew up together in Chicago. We lived across the street from each other, and we actually went to the same Catholic elementary school for a few years. And so at one point I was in 3rd grade, he was in 4th grade, but we shared a classroom. I don't know if any schools do that anymore, like have 2 different grades in one classroom, but they did back in the day. And so, yeah, we developed a friendship when we were super young. And then as we got older, you know, we started liking each other and all of that. And then we got married when I was 19 years old and he was 20. So this October will be 15 years. That is crazy. But yeah, I think I counted it up and I'm pretty sure we've known each other for about 25 years. So
yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you?
let me know what suggestions you guys have as well for me this year. If there's anything in particular you want to see. What I've got on my brain to do for right now is some organizational things. I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree to get some bins because I'm not about to spend a lot of money. So I'm going to do that. And then I've got tons and tons of decluttering. Oh my goodness. It's amazing how much stuff you can just accumulate, you know, over the past, even just a few months. So I definitely have a lot to do as far as that goes. But let me know if you have any particular suggestions. I would love to hear them.
Communication, tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11 and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you?
So the decor pieces that I have here, the little house I got from Hobby Lobby, has a cute little light on there. The little pink stand I also got from Hobby Lobby. Most of the other stuff that I got is either Hobby Lobby, I got it from Walmart, or last year somewhere. So like I said, I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money to decorate for Valentine's Day, but I did want to get a couple things.
Oh.
I've showed you guys these candles before. Goose Creek. This one right here, Candy Cottage. It just, I don't know, it just smells sweet. It smells like candy. It was a really good one. But I had a mishap the other day. I was doing something. I can't remember exactly what I was doing, but I knocked it over. Wax literally went everywhere. It was a mess. But I will tell you, it was actually easier to clean up than other candles. I don't know why that was, but it was kind of like the wax was buttery. I don't know, but it was easy to clean up, so I wasn't too upset about it. But I've got to do a review. I got to order some more candles so that I can really, really get into it, because I'm telling you, if you have not tried Goose Creek, you really need to try Goose Creek. They are everything. And they usually have some really, really good sales going on too. I'm telling you, if you haven't tried, you are definitely missing out.
You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, hey.
So I really like using this Barkeeper's Friend on my stove. It really gets all the grease and grime and all of that off of there. And then I also use my little special tool, which I've told you guys about before, which is toothpicks. I can get into those little cracks and crevices, and then you'll see here in a second how gross it is.
When it's my truth, I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a cut, yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Catch a break, give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break, give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break, better way. Oh, I've been working all day. Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
So this is how I decorate. I always like put something out, and then I go back and I'm like, I don't like that. I don't like it that way either. And just, you know, keep going until I figure out the perfect, I quote unquote, way to do it or display it. So that's how I do it. It's totally up to you. Whatever method works for you is what matters. And now we're going to finally get to the rest of the kitchen, the floor, putting all the groceries away, throwing away the trash and all of that.
Baby, don't.
I'm not calling you out or anything, but when was the last time you wiped down and disinfected the garbage can?
Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind.
So I'm no artist, obviously, but I love changing up this chalkboard with, you know, like different sayings and like different holidays and stuff. I'll put something on here. What I usually do is just go to Pinterest and, you know, search up what I'm looking for, and then I'll, you know, just try to do my best to like recreate something cute that I found.
And I just ended up just sticking up some roses up here that I had laying around. And I think it came out super cute. I really like it. So, but that is pretty much all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please hit that red subscribe button down below and then hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I will see you guys back here soon for more videos. Bye.